Assalamu alaikum, dear learners and guardians. All we know that most governments around the world have temporarily closed their educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of COVID-19. These nationwide closures are impacting over 60% of world students' population. Several other countries have implemented localized closures impacting millions of additional learners. Due to the situation, educational institutions across Bangladesh are resorting to the virtual platforms to run their academic activities. The list of educational platforms, applications, resources below to aim to help parents, teachers, schools, and school administrators facilitate students' learning and provide the social care and interaction during the period of school closure. And I'm here as a part of it. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Shah Poran, an assistant teacher of Merit International School, sonargaon, Narayanganj. And today, we'll discuss about some basic knowledge of fraction as a part of mathematics of class 5 or standard 5, chapter number 6. So, let's get started. Dear learners, first of all, you have to know what is fraction. Fraction is a part of a complete thing or object or a number. Suppose your mother gave you a roti and tell you to divide it into 4 pieces and to keep one part from them. How can you say? Okay, you can say it's one part of 4 or one portion of 4, or you can say 1 of 4 or 1 and 3/4, and you can also say 1 and 3/4. Now we have to know how many parts of a fraction. Yeah, there are 2 parts of a fraction. The higher part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator, as you see on the screen. Okay, now come to the point, the classification of fraction. How many kind of fraction? There are 3 kind of fraction. And what are they? Yeah, they are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. What is proper fraction? Look at the screen. Proper fraction, the fraction which contains lower or smaller numerator than its denominator, is called proper fraction. Or you can say the fraction which contains larger or bigger denominator than its numerator is called proper fraction, as like you can see on the screen. Yeah, that's a proper fraction. Now come to the next fraction, which is called improper fraction. Remember here, improper fraction is just opposite position of proper fraction. Okay, then what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is the fraction which contains larger or bigger numerator than its denominator, is called improper fraction. Or you can say like the fraction which contains lower or smaller denominator than its numerator is called improper fraction. Yeah, you can see the examples of improper fraction. Now come to the last fraction, is called or known as mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, an integer and a proper fraction are called together a mixed fraction. Remember, an integer. What is an integer? Look at the example. you can see a complete number is multiplied by the proper fraction. So when a complete number get multiplied with a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. And remember, this complete number is called integer. Okay, so dear learners, I hope this discussion will help you acquiring basic knowledge of fraction. I'll bring some more videos on this topic, inshallah. If you have any information to know about this discussion, you can ask me through comment box right below. I'll definitely answer them. Till then, stay safe and listen to your parents. Thank you very much.